So we're going to start. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So do you see? Look at here first. Don't look at your books. Look at Miss Tanya or look at the computer. What do you see?
I see Earth.
Okay. Okay, so let's read all together. Are you ready? Okay. So, taking care of the earth. Say again? Yeah, so that is our lesson today about taking care of the earth. Okay, yes, right, okay. So the earth is our home. It's our home. This planet is where we live. So what about you? Do you have your own home?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So me too, I have my own home. I'm in my house, in my home. But what do you do to take care of your home?
I clean the trash can.
Yes, okay. So if you play with your toys, what do? Do you just leave it or you take care of it? You clean it? Huh? You clean it. When you eat food, after you eat, what do you do?
After you eat, you put the plate in wash it.
In the washing or in the counter where you can wash it in the sink, right? Okay, now let's look at the next picture. What do you see?
You clean it.
Yes, okay. So since the earth is since the earth is the place where we live, we have to keep it clean. Like in your house, do you want to live in the house that it's very dirty?
No.
Oh, yes, because it will make you sick if the place is dirty, right? Yeah, so that's why we have to make it clean. Okay. Now let's move to the next page. What do you see?
Farm.
Yes, okay. So when the earth is clean, people like us, the animals and the plants are healthy too because we breathe clean air. And clean air is what we need for us to live happily and healthy, right? Okay, let's move to the next one. We get everything that we need from earth.
Vegetable and fruit.
Vegetable and fruits. And where do we get vegetables and fruits? Where do we get them? From the earth, from the ground. It sprouts from the ground, right? So the earth provided for us, okay, so that we can eat. Yeah? Okay. Now, what about rice? Okay, what about the next picture? What do you see?
Girl.
Yeah, the girl. Yes, also the earth provides us with the clothes. Some of the clothes that we have are cotton, and cotton is made out of plants. And plants grow in our earth. Okay? Yes, okay. Look at the next picture. Other things are from the earth too. So can you tell me what's this? Tires. Cars are made of rubber, and rubber, we can find it here on earth. What about this one? Bed. Okay, so these are things that are made out of wood. Okay, and wood, we get that from trees, right? Look around you. Is there anything in your house that is made out of wood?
Yeah.
What is it?
I have something that made from wood too.
What is it?
One thing.
What is it? Let me see. Drawer. Good. What about your bed? Is it made out of wood?
No.
No. What about your door? Is it made out of wood? Okay, good. Now let's look at this. These are metals or metals. These are like pans and yes, and pots. So these are made out of metals and we can find it also here on Earth. Yeah. And what about? Okay, look at here. What do you see? This. What do you see? These are, yes, these are jewelries. You have a ring, you have an earring, you have a necklace. So these are also,
and a bracelet.
yes, and a bracelet. So these are gems that we can find also here on Earth. Okay? Okay, now let's move on to the next page. So we must take care of our Earth because it gives us what we need, like the water. Can you live without water?
No.
No. Okay, it gives us food. Can you live without food?
No, so hungry.
No. Okay. It gives us our clothes. It gives us also our clothes. Can you go around without clothes?
No.
No. No, 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 no.
Very funny.
Okay. And it gives us our shelter, our home, our house. Okay. But the Earth has problem. Okay. This is the problem number 1. Look at the picture. They are. Yes, there's not enough water because remember, Earth is made out of 70% or 70% water, right? But most of that water is salty water. We cannot drink it. We can only drink fresh water. And fresh water, yes, and fresh water is only 1%. Now, if there's no more 1%, how can we drink? Yeah? So that's why we have to save water. Yes, we have to save water. Okay, look at this. This is a river. This is how the river looks like before. It has water. And this side, look what happened. The water is drying up. Yeah?
Drying up?
Yes, it's drying up. No more water in that river. Yeah? Okay, now let's move on to the next picture.
Not enough water.
Where do you think we get water to drink, to cook, to
the rain.
and do many things? Yes. Can you tell me what kind of body of water is this?
River.
No, it's not a river. Look again.
Lake.
Lake. Very good, Kitty. That's a lake. This one, what do you see? What body of water is this?
River.
River. Okay, so we get our water from the lake, from the river, from the rain, the snow, and the water underground. Okay? Okay, now let's move on to the next picture. Okay, so what do you need to do so that we can help, you know, conserve water, so we can help save water? The first thing that you need to do when you are brushing your teeth every day is what?
Push the water.
Yes.
Not use.
Yes, when you're not using it, you need to turn off the water. Look at the water here. What does it say? Ah, empty. Yeah. So you have to save the water and close or turn off the tap. Okay? Yes. And if there's a trouble in your water sink, you have to have it fixed. Okay, now let's move on to the next picture. Okay, this is problem number 2. What is the problem number 2? We have dirty air.
Dirty air.
Yes,
No trees.
Yes, and not enough trees to clean the air, okay? So when you use too much electricity, you turn on your TV, you turn on everything. You use too much electricity, that is actually making our air dirty. Okay? Yes. So that's why when you're not using the appliances at home, you need to turn it off so you can save electricity or electricity. Now I want you to tell me, what are the things that you use at home that uses electricity? I'm going to point, you tell me what is it. What is this? Huh?
Washing machine.
Yes, it's a washing machine. What is this?
TV.
TV. This one. This is a TV. This one? Refrigerator. Right. And this one? Fan. And this one?
Microwave.
Oven or microwave oven. And this one?
Microwave.
Computer. Do you have a computer at home? Yes, we do. Exactly. Okay. Now let's move on to the next picture. Ready? Okay. What can you do to help? What can you do to help? What do we need to do? Huh? Turn
off.
Yes, turn off the light when we are not. Yes, and also this one. What do you need to do?
Plant a tree.
Yes, we need to plant the trees, or we need to plant more trees so that we will have clean. Yes, this is the earth. So the earth is happy because you're taking care of the earth. Yay, hooray. Okay, now let's look at, let's look at the next picture. Oh, the next problem. Uh-oh. What is the next problem? Yes. Yes, too much trash on land. We have trash on land, in the water, and in the air. See? Yes, the trash can, the odor of the trash can goes up in the air and it makes the air dirty. Huh? Okay, but what can you do to help? What can you do to help? You can actually recycle. Do you know what is recycle?
Recycle.
Yes. Recycle means you're going to put all of the trash in proper places. What are the things that we can recycle? What do you see? What's this?
A plastic bag.
Plastic. We can recycle plastic. What is this?
That is the water bottle.
Yeah, look at what I'm holding. What is this?
Plastic bottle. Paper.
Is this a bottle? Is this a bottle?
Paper.
Paper. So you can recycle paper. This one. It's a glass. Can you recycle glass?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What about this one? Glass?
Bottle.
It's a plastic bottle. This one? Can. Can we recycle this?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, we can recycle aluminum can. And also, this one?
Box.
Box or cardboard paper. We can also recycle it. Okay? All right, so now I'm going to show you your book. You're not going to answer it right now. I'm just going to tell you what to do, okay? Okay, so look at here. You need to look at the picture. You're going to cut it. You don't need to do it right now. Just listen to me.
I already do it.
Okay, I understand. But for those people who did not do it yet, here's what you're going to do. You need to read, for example, I will plant trees. Which picture is it? Is it this picture, this one, or this one? Which one is the picture where you can plant trees? This one?
Yes.
Yes, okay, that's good. That's what you're going to do. And then in the next page, okay, here you're going to put the things in the right box, things that you can recycle and things that you can compost. Compost means these are the food waste that can break down and be part of the earth again. Like, for example, we have the banana peel. Yes, we can compost that. What about the apple core? Can we recycle it or can we compost it?
Compost.
Yes, we can compost it. Okay, that's what you're going to do in your science book. Okay, now we are going to do writing. Okay, I'm going to explain to you what you're going to do in your writing book so that you don't get confused. Okay, ready? Just look and listen. Okay, so in here you're going to write the word purple. Yes, in here you're going to color the word purple. Here, how many sounds do you hear when you clap your hands? Clap your hands and say the word purple. Purple. 1, 2, 3, go. Purple. How many? 2. Okay, so you're going to color this circle. Circle number 2. Okay? And then in here, you're going to write the word purple. And down, okay, down, you need to, all the way down, you need to circle. Circle, not check. You need to circle. Is it? Okay. All right, you're going to circle it. Okay, but you don't need to do it right now. Okay, I just told you what to do. Okay, now in your homework, here's what you need to do. Okay, so we are going to write the ink in my. If there is no more space, what do you need to do? If there's no more space here, what do you need to do? Go down. Exactly. You need to go down to or move to the next writing line. Okay? Need to go and move to the next writing line. Okay, and don't forget your full stop. Okay, and don't forget your full stop. You don't need to write it right now. You don't need to answer your book right now. Just listen. Yes, and then after that, you need to color, of course, the pictures. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Now, remember I asked you to print this writing worksheet. Do you have it with you?
Yes. I already do it 1 page. Yes.
Okay, yes. All right. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you words and you're going to write it using this using this page. Okay, you're going to start here in this page. Okay. Okay, here's what you're going to write. Are you ready? Can you show me your paper? Okay, are you ready? Can you show me your paper? All right. Okay. Here's what you're going to write first. You ready? All right. So while we're waiting, you're going to write in this line. Yes, line number 1. This line. That's where you're going to write. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the first word that you're going to write is, okay, give me 1 minute. All right, this is the word that you're going to write. I like to play. Okay, use your finger space and write the word I like to play. Jess, where's your paper? Start writing. I like to play.
Write it now.
Yes, please write it now. Don't forget to use your finger space. And don't forget your full stop. First letter is big letter. Okay, well done, Kitty. Good job. Janice, are you finished? Let me see. Okay, show me when you're done. Well done. Jess, you finished, Jess?
I'm done.
Okay, now you're done.
I'm done.
Put your thumbs up when you're done so Miss Tanya will know you're already finished. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Good work. Yes, good work. Okay, now let's count how many finger spaces did you use, okay? I'm going to put a heart, okay? I, finger space. Did you see the heart? Yes, if you see the heart, that means that is your finger space. So I, heart or finger space, like, finger space, two, finger space, and then play, full stop. Did you get it right?
Yes.
Yes, well done. Are you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Let's make it a bit longer. Ready? Okay, hold on. Give me a minute. Okay. Now here's what you're going to write. I like to play with my dog. Very good. Okay, go start writing. Okay. Remember that the first letter is big letter, and don't forget also your full stop.
W.
Very good. Very good.
T. O. Single space. P. L.
Japan,
Y.
please start writing.
W. I. D. I like to play with my dog.
Yes, that's what you're going to write. I like to play
M.
with my dog. Japan, sit down, please.
D. O. E.
Oh, okay.
I
Put your thumbs up when you're done.
play with my dog. I like to play. Finish.
Finish? Wow, well done, Fawn. That's very good. Jess, are you done?
No.
No, not yet. Shanice, done? Not yet? Okay, that's good. Fleur, you done? Oh, well done, Kitty. Put, are you done, Put?
Finish.
Okay, good. All right, so can you tell me how many finger spaces did you use? Let's count. Are you ready?
1,
1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5. How many?
6.
6? Are you sure?
1, 3, 4, 5.
Only 5. Good. That's why you see 5 hard.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5.
Only 5. Because the last is the full stop.
นี่ได้ทำไมเป็นชื่ออะไรอ่ะชื่อขนาดนั้นและอันนี้เป็นคำไหม
Okay. Ready? Put your thumbs up when you're ready so you can see the next one. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Like this. Okay. Let us see. Mikun, are you ready, Mikun?
The play is up and then
Yes, but you write the same line in a separate line.
yes you can
Jess, let me see your work, Jess. Oh, well done, Jess. Good job. Okay. Japal, finish?
I finished.
You're finished. Okay, let's just wait for your friends, okay?
I'm finished.
Yes, I know, but we have to wait for your friends too.
เขาไม่เขียนคนละบรรทัดแต่เป็นเขียนบรรทัดเดียวไม่ได้หรอก
นี่จะ
ว่าของปันเขียนเตรียม
Next one.
next ลูกเป็น
Okay. Tell Miss Tanya when you're already ready to look to do the next sentence.
Okay. Sentence now. อันนี้หมดหรือยังเนี่ย I'm ready.
You're ready. Okay, everybody's ready?
Yes.
Yes, we are ready. Okay. Let's read first. All right, let's read first. Okay. We're going to hold on. We're going to read all together. Okay. Ready? Okay. I like
to
play with my big brown dog. Okay, last one. One more time. Ready? Miss Tanya will point. Be quiet. One more time. One more time. I
brown dog play with my big brown dog.
Okay, so are you ready to write?
Yes.
Okay, go. Start writing.
Space L.
Make sure that you have your favorite space. First letter is big letter. And your full stop.
O
ไม่พี่
sorry
ยังเอา
sorry E L
say it out
A
loud
Y
there's space
W I L T H
and say it out loud
Stop. Y my W
my big
big dog B I G M Y brown B
Okay. When you're done, you tell Miss Tanya, okay?
O W
and then fingers
N
D your lines
D O T M O ไม่รู้เรื่องMiss Tanya finish
Okay, awesome. That's good. Okay, let's just wait for your friend.
Miss Tanya I don't have no space
If you don't have space,
like
go down, move down.
with my big brown dog.
right here
This is I like to play. I like to play. I like to play. I like to play with my dog. I like to play with my big brown dog.
Okay. Done?
No, I'm not done yet.
You're not done yet? Okay, I can wait. Don't worry, Jess. It's okay.
Jessie boy.
say it
Okay. Those who are done, I want you to practice reading what you write. I'm going to call you one by one, okay? When you're done.
I like to play with my big dog. I like to play with my dog. Big brown dog. I like to play with my dog.
You just word ball.
Brown dog.
Okay. Ready now? Okay. Thumbs up when you're ready. Thumbs up when you're ready.
Thumbs up.
Yes, thumbs up when you're ready.
I like to play.
Okay. Thumbs up when you're ready.
My dog.
Okay, everyone's ready?
Yes.
Everyone's ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Let's count. How many finger space did you use? Okay.
1,
Open here. Look at here first. Look at here first.
1, 2, 5 finger space. 5, 6, 4.
Okay, look at Miss Tanya first.
1.
Okay, so I want you to tell me how many finger space did you use? We're going to count, okay? I'm going to put a heart stamp again. Ready?
6.
Are you ready?
6.
Okay, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
4, 5, 6. Okay, can you check in your work if you use 6 finger spaces?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 7.
Are you sure?
7.
7? What? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, but if yes,
4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 finger space.
yes, I think because you might add finger spaces when you move to another line. I understand. Okay. Yes, I understand. If you move to another line, it will be 7. Okay, good job. Well done. That's right. Okay. All right. I'm going to call you one by one. You're going to read your work. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with Fleur. Fleur, can you read your work for me, please?
I like to play with my big dog.
Well done, Fleur. Okay, now let's hear Kitty. Kitty, can you read your work, please?
Kitty pie. I like to play with my big brown dog.
Okay, good job, Kitty. Now let's go to Put. Put, can you read your work for me, please? Okay, awesome, Put. Well done. Okay. But Shanice, are you done, Shanice? Okay, can you read your work for me, Shanice, please?
Finger space.
I like to play with my dog.
Where's the big brown? I like to play with my big brown dog. Okay, one more time, Shanice.
I like to play with my brown dog.
Two.
Play with my brown dog.
Big brown.
dog.
Okay. Jess, are you done, Jess?
No.
No. Okay, let's try Pan.
Mama,ช่วยสอนนิดlike to play with my big brown dog.
Well done, Pan. Good work. Okay. Jess, are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Start. Let's see.
I like to play with my big brown dog.
Awesome. Well done. Okay, who else? Japao, are you ready, Japao? Come here, Japao. You ready? Okay, can you read your work, Japao?
It's correct อันนี้เขาเปลี่ยนกันแล้วหรือยัง Now I go.
Ready, Japao? Can you read your work for me?
That we already do.
Okay, I'm going to go back to you, Japao, all right? Let's try.
Steven.
Mikun, you ready? Okay, Miss Tanya will help you. Ready?
ไอ้วันโฟสตับรออยู่ข้างบน
Okay, let's try. I
Ant-Man.
play
Ant-Man.
play with my big
Hey, Ant-Man.
brown dog. Well done. Okay, last one is Japao. Ready, Japao? Okay, Miss Tanya will help you. We need to learn how to read what we write too. So we need to read our sentence too, okay? Ready? Okay, follow the arrow. I like to play
This
big brown dog. Okay, now here's what we're going to do. We're going to read it together. Ready? Yes, we're going to read it together one last time before Miss Tanya will go, okay?
I can
Okay, follow, wait a minute, follow the arrow, go. I follow the arrow.
My brown dog.
Okay.
I like to play with my brown dog. I like to play with my brown dog. I like to play with my brown dog.
With my big brown dog. Okay, so you can keep your papers now. Clap for yourself. You did a very good job. Well done. Good work, guys. Good work. Okay, so it's a wrap. Miss Tanya needs to go. So we're going to study again next week. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.